Welcome back to my channel. Here is my review of the Eccotemp I12 Tankless water heater for your off-grid home. I have the tankless water heater mounted to the wall in my water room adjacent to the bathroom. This thing is fantastic. It has automatic operation when you want hot water. Connections are pretty simple. Cold water's on the right, hot water on the left, gas connection in the center. Runs on 110 volts on a protected circuit. When you call for heat, like right adjacent here to the shower, unit comes on, inducer motor is making sure the vents is clear. Temperature ramps up with a set point of 120 degrees. In a few seconds, you got hot water. Shut the unit down. System shuts off. Vent continues to run to clear exhaust. And then the unit shuts off. This thing works fantastic. It's run on LP gas. Takes hardly any energy to run this unit. I highly recommend it. The Eccotemp I12 Tankless water heater.